आप देख रहे हैं भविष्य एंड मैं आपका दोस्त एपी आपका स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे एडर सब्ट्रैक्टर सर्किट यूजिंग आईसी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के बारे में। चलिए बात करते हैं एडर सब्ट्रैक्टर्स एक्सपेरिमेंट के एम एपरेटस एंड सर्किट डायग्राम के बारे में। आप देख रहे हैं द एम ऑफ दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इज study the addition and subtraction characteristic of IC 7486 with IC 7483, and apparatus is as follows: the IC 7486, IC 7483, LEDs, 1 kilo ohm resistor, connecting wires, and etc. And here this is the circuit diagram. So connect your circuit as shown in the figure. So first place this IC 7486 and after that the IC 7483. Here B0, B1, B2 and B3 are the B inputs which is connected through the IC 7486, and A0, A1, A2, A3 are the A part of the input which connect through the IC 7483. Now connect the plus VCC with pin number 5 and ground with pin number 12 of IC 7483 and pin number 14 to plus VCC and pin number 7 to the ground of IC 7486. Now connect 2 to 5, 5 to 10 and 10 to 13 of IC 7486 and put a common wire from pin number 13 of IC 7486 to the pin number 13 of IC 7483 एंड वहाँ से एक वायर निकाले जो कि ग्राउंड और VCC के लिए यूज होगा एट द टाइम ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। यहाँ पर हमने ऑलरेडी सारे सर्किट को कनेक्ट करके रखा हुआ है एंड पिन नंबर 2, 5, 10 एंड 13 से सारे वायर को एक कॉमन टर्मिनल में कनेक्ट किया है ताकि वहाँ से एक वायर निकाले जो ग्राउंड में जाए और एक वायर जो प्लस VCC को कनेक्ट हो फॉर आवर easiest way to perform the experiment. So let's see next part of this experiment. This is the ground wire. Then the time of addition we have to use this pin number 13 at the ground, and at the time of subtraction this pin number 13 common wire will be used as a plus VCC. Here you can see in the circuit diagram is shown. Now let's talk about the procedure. So first connect the circuit as shown in the figure. If you are able to connect the circuit properly, then you can perform this experiment within 15 to 20 minutes because it's a very easy experiment. And remember, place your LEDs for the output properly with 1 kilo ohm resistor as a grounded, and use different colors of wire for the A input and B inputs. So here as you can see in circuit we use the different color of wires and LEDs. These red LEDs represent the carry. If carry generated, this LED will glow, and if you connect this circuit, then after connection first verify the Boolean equation of your XOR gate because IC 7486 consists Boolean equation and which is required for the addition. So first verify the Boolean equation, and if you don't know how to verify, then read the theory. In theory I mentioned each and everything. So the Boolean equation of XOR gate is like that: if all the inputs are low or all the inputs are high, then output will be low. That means no LED should glow here. And you can see if odd number of inputs are high, then output will be high. This is the verification of the Boolean equation of XOR gate. XOR gate commonly known as the exclusive OR gate. Now at the time of observation, please read the procedure and proceed ahead. So first connect this all common wire as a ground at the time of addition. So here you can see I connected here this black wire as a ground. I used this black wire as a ground, and we are going to perform the addition part. Now we already done all the procedure of addition, and we are just here going to verify that our addition part is working or not. So this is my inputs, A part input. So here we are going to connect this all A part input as a 0, as you can see in observation table, and this is white wire used for the B part input, and this B part input is also in ground, that means logic 0. And you will see that according to the observation table the output will be 0, that means our sum will be 0, that means no LED will glow, and carry also 0. So you can see here no LED glowing and carry also 0, because red LED also not glowing. So first reading is correct. Now let's proceed ahead. Put the A naught high, that means according to the observation S naught should be high. For understanding this observation table, you should know how to add the binary numbers. Okay, so here you can see the S naught is glowing and no carry generated. Now let give the B naught also 1, and according to observation S1 should be glowing. So this is my S1, and S1 is glowing and no carry generated. So similarly you can proceed ahead all your addition part by giving the logic 0 or 1. Now let's come to the subtraction part. So for subtraction, the common terminal of IC13 should be at plus VCC, as you can see in this procedure. So read procedure very carefully. So that means the place pin number 13 wire at plus VCC as shown in the figure. So this is our common wire from 13 of both IC, and we placed it at plus VCC, and remove this carry, because in subtraction there is no carry. There should be borrow, but in this IC there is no pin for the borrow. So remove this red LED which we used for the carry. So at the subtraction, remove this LED, and now let's verify this output for the subtraction. So first we want to subtract 4 minus 2, that means our answer should be 2. So 4, first convert the 4 in binary and 2 in binary, then subtract. Remember, you should know some rules about the ones complement at the time of subtraction. So normally for positive output there is no ones complement necessary, but here you can see we placed our A input as a 4 and B input as a 2, and output will be 2. That means our S1 for a difference we used here D1, D0, D1, D2 and D3 for output, and this D1 is glowing. That means our subtraction circuit is also working, and we remove this carry because in subtraction there is no carry. So you can see the circuit is working properly, And remember one thing, before going to perform the experiment, use many times that your IC should be working properly. Now next, let's proceed next observation. So we want to subtract 8 minus 4, that our answer should be 4. So first convert all 8 and 4 in a binary and give the input as the observation table, and you will see that our D2 is glowing. That means D2, which value is 2 raised to 2, that means 4, and our answer is correct. Here you can see this D2 is glowing. Okay, similarly you can perform all the differential observation, and for that you should know that some 1's complement, because sometimes people required how to subtract a bigger digit from the smaller digit. So for that you should require 1's complement, and this circuit is not applicable for the negative subtraction. That means this circuit is not applicable for the negative output subtraction, because for negative output we required NOT gate, and in this circuit there is no connection of a NOT gate. If you want to subtract the bigger number from smaller, then you have to use the NOT gate. So this circuit is only for simple addition and simple subtraction. So perform your experiment very carefully. It's a very easy experiment and you can perform it within 15 to 20 minutes. and डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसके राइटिंग मटेरियल के PDF का लिंक है, वहाँ से डाउनलोड करें एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.